Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is the Bakerloo Line Train to Elephant and Castle. Please stand clear of the doors.
Hello everybody, so here we are on a Bakerloo Line train. This train is currently the oldest serving train on the London Overground network, the 1972 stock, which of course is the Bakerloo Line that runs between Elephant and Castle and Harrow and Wealdstone. The service pattern to Harrow and Wealdstone is not very good, because most of the trains run between Elephant and Castle to Queen's Park or Elephant and Castle to Stonebridge Park. So most of the time you'll have to change at Queen's Park for the overground that goes up to Harrow and Wealdstone or Watford. So just a quick ride on this train. Really old train this. They really need to get rid of these trains. Half the lights don't work, they're bumpy, extremely very hot. So hopefully when TfL pull their finger out from their arse and get some money, they can buy some new trains, because these are absolutely hideous, as are those on the Central Line and the Piccadilly lines, which are not very good at all. So there we go, London's oldest serving underground train.